Everyone, this is Barka Technical Solution and I am Ferdous Rahman. In one of our previous video, we have seen how we can use a software called freezing to create circuit design, wiring design and PCB designs. So in this video, we are going to see another alternative website for that software. If you are a beginner in this field, then this website will help you a lot because it is a very beginner friendly website. So first of all, let's go to any website and search for TINKERCAD, and the first link we have got is the one, so click on it. So this is our TINKERCAD website. So the first thing we need to do is we have to, if you don't have an account, then you have to sign up. So you can sign up as an educator, as a student, or create an personal account. So I have already got an account, so I will just log in. So after you have created an account or you have logged in to your account, then we will see this page in front of our screen. So here we have some option in our left hand side: 3D design, circuits, code block and lessons. So what we are interested in this video is the circuits part. So let's click on that, and here we will see another box, and here is written try circuits. So we'll click on that. So after that we will see a page just like this. So here we have all our, in this right hand side we have all our components here. So the left hand side is just a beginner's lesson, so I will show all of this to you, so we don't need actually this part. So from here, if we want to create something, we can create anything from all of this component. So here we have an option called component basic. So if you click, we will have another option called component all. So here you can see we have got a lot of other components as well. So for this video we will stick to the basic, and now I will show you how we can create any circuit that we want. So for that I need a breadboard, so just click on it. We will have our breadboard. So now we can place it anywhere just by clicking, and from here if you want to rename anything, you can just rename from here. So like I will rename it to B and B, BB for breadboard. And if I want to rotate this, there is the option to rotate, or you can just click the R button in your keyboard. Then I will need an Arduino Uno, which is just right here. Click on it and it will be here, and then if I want, I can rotate this as well. Now I will rename it also Arduino. Let's see how we can create a circuit. So now if we want to create any circuit, so I will show you how we can create a circuit that will toggle an LED on a push and button. So for that we will need an LED. I will place the LED here. So the leg of the LED that is curved is the anode. If you place the cursor over it, it will just indicate that this is the anode pin, this is the cathode pin. Then we will need an resistor. So I will just click and drag the resistor here, and I will need to rotate this, and I will put it on the line of the anode pin. Then I will take a button and I will put it here just like that, and I will take another resistor from here and put it just like this. So one leg of the resistor will be serial to one of the leg of our button, and the other leg will be on this positive terminal, on this negative terminal. So then I will need to wire all of this. So before that I will need to change the resistor to 330 ohm, not kilo ohm, and this one will be 10 kilo ohm resistor. So now I can wire all of this. So the negative pin will be connected to the negative rail of our breadboard, and this has to be a black color there, and we will connect this negative rail to the ground pin of our Arduino. Then I will connect this side of the button to the 5-volt pin of our Arduino, and I will change this color to red, and then I will connect another wire between the resistor and the button, and I will connect this to pin number 7, and I will connect the positive side of our LED which is connected to the resistor, and I will connect this to the pin number 8. I will change the color of this to green and this to blue or turquoise. So now we have all our connection perfectly. So that's how you can actually design a circuit here. And now if you want to export this as an image from here, you can do it from this option called send to. So if you click on that, then we will have a variety of options, but you can just click on this download button and it will start the download, and if I click on it, you can see we have our circuit design here. So that's how you can actually design a circuit in TINKERCAD. In our next video I will show you how you can actually simulate as in real life. You don't need anything in your real life. You can actually use this program, just this website, to simulate everything just like in real life. So we can actually code this Arduino or program this Arduino, and then we can simulate this. So I will show you that in the next video, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.